Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to do Water Softener 101. If you're noticing a lot of scale buildup around faucets and around the sink, or in your dishwasher where you see a lot of white powdery scale, you may have hard water. Now, there's a bunch of different manufacturers of water softeners. There are also versions of it that are saltless, meaning that they're inline or electronic. But today I want to focus on a traditional water softener where there's a tank that you add salt to, and there are these regenerative tanks that actually have a resin that do all the work. Now that brine tank, which is the big tank where the salt pellets go, that is actually there to regenerate the little beads that are in the main tank to help do their job. And it all depends on how many people live in the home, how much water is used when you set that. Typical water softeners have a dial, and they'll regenerate 1 to 2 times a day based on how many people live in the home. So this is the kind of thing that while you can purchase a water softener and install it yourself, it probably makes more sense to have this professionally installed so that they have the experience with the model that they're working with. They can evaluate how many people live in the home, how many bathrooms, what's being serviced by the water softener, so it can be set up so that you have softer water so that the dishes come out cleaner, there's no scale buildup around faucets, and you just feel better taking a shower. There's a lot of benefits to having a water softener, but they do require a little bit of maintenance, and they do require a regular investment in the salt pellets that you would use. And then even there's different types of salt pellets that you would purchase based on the quality of the water. If you notice that there's kind of rusty water coming out when you turn on the faucets, you may have a high iron content in the water, and a water softener would be very beneficial for your everyday use. Speaking of hard water, if you notice that you have deposits on shower heads or faucets, I've got a video coming up to show you how to clean that up.